Today I'm going to show you how to run A/B testing in Mailchimp. Alright, so the first thing you need to know is when you're running A/B testing, you need to have an upgraded plan. So if you're on the free plan, you will not be able to do this. Let's go through it. A/B testing is really powerful. It helps you to focus your emails to the right people, and it helps you see what's working and what's not working, okay? This allows you to compare different versions of one single email and discover what resonates with particular audiences. So basically, you're going to turn guesswork into data-driven strategy. So you know what you're sending and if it's received well or not. Now, the first thing is you need to test smart. Focus on one variable at a time, because then you won't know which one is working and which one is not. Such as your subject line, your from name, the content, or a send time. This will help you make actionable insights. Then you need to drive results. Improve open rates, click-through rates, and conversions with decisions backed by the performance data. Okay, and then their testing tool offers easy setup and detailed reporting at your fingertips. So once you have completed the test, you'll be able to pull that report. On the left-hand side, you're going to go and click on Create Email, and then there'll be the A/B test option. Name your campaign, go through, choose your target audience or your segment, and begin. Now, you will then have the opportunity to choose your variable to test. Pick one of your elements, be that the subject line, your from name, content, send time. You can even do up to 3, but as we discussed, we want to do one at a time. Set the test size and winner criteria. So you can send a test email to a portion of your list. This should be ideally 100 contacts, and then choose your winner by open rate, click rate, or total revenue. Then analyze your results and optimize. Review the detailed reports and understand what actually drives engagement. Apply these insights into future campaigns for continuous improvement. Now, let's just recap. A couple tips for success. Test one element at a time for crystal clear insights. Let Mailchimp automatically send the winning version to your remaining audience, and document your results to build knowledge base. And then the last thing is consistency. Consistency beats perfection every single time. Run regular tests to continuously refine your email strategy, and you should be good to go.